The Maryland Zoo is one step closer to hatching its 1,000th penguin chick.
We've got a picture of the 4th chick of the breeding season. This is the 991st in the zoo's history. That's a lot of chicks. First 2 chicks of the season hatching at the end of October. 3rd was last month. That right there on your screen right now is the 4th. All the chicks will stay behind the scenes for a few months until their juvenile feathers grow out and they pass some swimming lessons. They got to get that little band, ankle bracelet that the kids get when they figure out how they can swim back and forth in the deep end. I don't know. That's for the humans, actually. I don't know if that's for the penguins as well. But if the zoo makes it to the 1,000 chicks this season, it will be the first zoo or aquarium anywhere in North America to do so. They are well on their way, Lynette.
They're so cute.
And they're cute.
I know, they're adorable. Every time I see penguins now, though, I always think about Lauren, how they were chasing Lauren around. I just can't get that out of my head.
I mean, could it have happened to anyone else?
Exactly.